motion because it's not moving.
Right. Yeah.
So when you ride a train to... Oh, shit. Hold on. This guy's yelling at me. When you're on a train, the sheet flies out from under you, right?
You mean you're like on top of the train or under the train?
Yeah, wherever you are on the train, it just flies out from under you,
So
right?
you're
Even
on
when
the
you're
side of
touching?
the train. You're outside on the side of the train walking.
Are you touching the train?
I mean, on the Earth, on the globe Earth, you will be under the train or the side
No,
of the train.
you're in the train essentially. You're touching the
No,
surface
you're
of the
on
train.
it. You're on
Yeah.
top of the train.
Yeah, if you get, do you not see in
Not
like
in it.
India and stuff when
On
they
the
ride on
side
top of the
and
train, they
under
just
it.
fly
Yeah,
off?
they
On the
tie
side, you're
themselves to.
under.
Yeah,
You're,
they hold on
if
for
you're in
dear life.
Australia, you're under the train.
Well, either way, I mean,
Have you ever
you're
been
Well,
under
you
the
don't
train?
want to be under the train.
So in Australia, imagine flipping the train upside down. Now where's the center of gravity?
That will be nonsensical, huh?
No, it wouldn't, because the center of mass of the Earth is at the middle.
Another baseless assertion out of many.
Baseless assertion? Do you know how gravity works?
Do you know what that word even means?
Yeah.
Let me guess. Your hopes and dreams of gravity are tied to a molten iron core.
No, actually, anything with mass has gravity. That's the magnetic field. Holy shit, wait, I'm actually getting rage baited right now.
Define mass.
Can I shake your hand, dog? This is a great rage bait.
I just don't understand why they don't start into the curvature. Why don't they go out
Is
into
in
the
the
curvature
box.
of the earth, ladies and gentlemen? That's all they got to do. Step out with their friends, get some quantitative numbers, and start measuring. They can't do it. What's the problem?
Well, he thinks that he saw a cartoon somewhere that shows the core, and he thinks that's the ground he's standing on, the cartoon.
Yeah. Everybody who has researched this knows that when you melt a magnet, it loses its magnetic property. So there's no way an ball Earth, if it were to exist, could have magnetic properties because it's
There's actually a giant ball of molten sodium that has a proportionally equivalent magnetic field as the Earth.
How would it have magnetic properties? It would be lost. And anyway, how would they know what's 4,000 miles deep into the Earth's surface when they got it wrong for 0.6 miles? Yeah, they were drilling for 20 years, Russia. They made their predictions as to what material they were going to encounter during the drilling process. 20 years, they were wrong for 20 years. And
so when a plane is flying in the sky and they use radar, notice how the radar gets exactly where it is? Same concept with sonar.
Ladies and gentlemen, please do not forget the telemetry data that records the pitch angle as being horizontal for the land, but the duration of the flight was level, and the pilots themselves say straight and level flight, they say. The pilots are saying that. They know what they're talking about. They know when they're flying over a flat Earth. Yes.
All right, so check this out, right? I have a pool ball. I take a molecule of dust and I put it on top of the pool ball. The molecule of dust is going to think the pool ball is flat. Is the pool ball flat?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Well, exactly. You're the same thing as the molecule of dust. You don't have an ounce of brain. So,
ladies and gentlemen.
How do you know what dust is?
I can measure the curvature of the Earth if it's there. It's just
that simple. It's been done, dumbass.
It's never been done. You're the dumbass scumbag.
So look up the experiment with the flat earthers and the lasers where they proved themselves wrong by accident and documented it.
Ladies and gentlemen, they're losing the argument now. Now they're throwing insults. But I'm the best at that. Because these scumbag, toxic, maggot Americans, they're going down and they're staying down.
Americans?
Don't go down that road, mate, because you'll be losing it.
Americans.
Okay? That's right. You're a toxic maggot from your toxic GMO food, fluoridated water, anthrax,
Americans
9/11.
This is a top tier rage bait. Holy shit.
Poisons in the food, poisons in the air. What a toxic maggot. Healthcare ranking 79th in the world. The country with the highest death of babies on the first day of life. Do you want some more of your actualities of your shithole toilet?
You think I like the state of this country?
Shut the fuck up, you mug. What a mug you are.
We are better.
What a mug you are. Measure the curvature. Shut up and measure the curvature, you mug. Shut up and measure that
Mug,
curvature,
you
you
mug.
mug.
You can't even
What a
deal with the
mug you
fucking
are.
Irish.
Shut up and measure
we
the
get-
curvature, you mug.
I
Can we get some
can go outside and do it
details
right now with a
on the
laser.
laser?
Go
Can we
on,
get
mate.
some
Yeah, go
details
ahead.
on
Go
the
measure it.
You want to come with? I have a 20 watt laser.
Yeah, hold on a minute. Yeah, that's great. So we got a few people in here. Benevolent is in here. I think he's the guy you were talking to. I don't know if that looked like he was lighting up. Benevolent.
No,
I'm
this
knocking-
is Schrodinger.
knocking 'em
Yeah,
down. Line 'em
benevolence
up,
might
I'll knock 'em
keeps
down.
lighting, but this
Oh,
this charming gentleman
Schrodinger.
is Schrodinger.
Schrodinger. You think that the Earth is a globe, sir?
Yeah, it absolutely is.
All right. What was the evidence that you brought forward to Gen CBR?
So we're gonna start off with the ancient Greeks, right? All they had to do was take some sticks, put them down, measure some angles, look at the sun, and they could predict that it was a globe. Also, why do the stars in the night sky?
No, you don't get to leave from the first point yet. You haven't
Okay, go
proven
ahead,
the
go
globe
back.
with angles.
Try and prove me
You
wrong.
haven't proven the globe with angles. Keep going on that.
Yes, they have. You want me to draw it out right now? Let's draw it out right now. Give me a whiteboard.
We know it better than you, Ding Dong. We don't need that.
Yeah, you haven't actually followed that to a logical conclusion. We're still waiting. So don't
Define,
switch it up before
define a
you've done
sine
that.
and
I can
angle.
hear that you're
We're
trying to
into
do
it.
a shit and run, but I'm not gonna let you do it.
A shit and run.
Yeah, you just dropped a pile of shit and then you ran away from it. So the
So
two angles.
all of
so far you're
trigonometry
describing
is
a
a
horizontal
pile
reference.
of shit. You know, the stuff that created how you're speaking to me right now is a pile of shit.
Yeah, so far you've got two angles. You're gonna have a horizontal plane of reference for those two angles. There's no curvature involved so far, no globe proven at all. You just asserted that and then ran away. So stick with that one until you get to the
You
conclusion.
presented 1% of your argument, therefore it's false. That's all I'm
Speaking
hearing.
Speaking in your true voice.
Okay, so I
Let's
guess
go-
no
let's see
conclusion
these-
of globe
these
from the two
diagrams.
angles.
These diagrams. Gravity is bullets.
Wow.
This is actually a great rage bait. But I'm nominating you guys real quick for Rage Bait Award.
I just debunked in the side chat.
Look at this image I've posted of a lake
Why-
that
why
shows
is it in
nothing on the other
rage?
side.
Why
Just
are you
got
so
debunked in the side
rage?
chat.
Yeah, let's see the debunk then explain it since you're so infinitely
Well,
wise.
the quote unquote Greek guy that assumed a bunch of things assumed that the light rays were coming in parallel. As you can see here, they most certainly do not come in parallel in reality. So, debunked.
As I can see where?
I mean, are you looking at the side chat, bro?
What part of it? I see 3 YouTube links and a GIF, and that's it.
There's an image at 49 minutes past the hour from Creation Bear. I took this today at the beach. And you can see
Okay.
the light rays are most certainly not parallel. They're very, very diverging. So,
Have you heard of scattering?
you ever heard of parallel light rays in reality?
Why is the sky blue?
Why are the parallel rays not existent? I guess that would be the
Why is the
question.
sky blue?
Creation
There's
Bear
your
was
answer in that
getting
question.
fucking dicked on in the other chat, and he ran away and came in here, bro.
Not really. It was
Yeah,
He
no,
ran
that makes
away, bro.
sense.
I
Yeah,
told you to.
what other
anyway.
why is the sky blue? All
What
I
does
need
it have
to
to
do
do
is
with-
answer that question.
is
You're walking
when it
around
comes to Eratosthenes, it doesn't have anything to do with the sky being blue. It has something to do with
No,
the
we're on
rays
parallel
coming
light
in
rays
parallel.
now. Why is the sky
Yeah,
blue?
exactly.
All you need to do is answer
That
that
has
question.
nothing to do with it. That has
It
nothing to
actually
do with
does have a
this.
lot to do with the question. Why is the sky blue?
No, that doesn't make the rays parallel, though, my friend. So
No, it does because they're scattering, right? And if they're scattering, they're different.
So does the blue sky make the light rays parallel or no?
Does what? Yeah, absolutely. It's scattering. Spamming an emote doesn't prove your point, by the way.
Where do you
Fortnite kid
experience
logic.
parallel light in any part of this reality?
Coming into the atmosphere.
Where?
Coming into the atmosphere. That's
Do you have any
pretty obvious.
You don't have
images?
parallel
Do you have any
for,
way to back this up? I mean, I have actual photographic evidence in the chat I took today.
I mean, you don't
Do you
believe
have
space
anything?
is real, so I'll pull up some
But
pictures,
d-
but you're just gonna say, "Oh, space isn't real."
Sure, let's take a look at your pictures. Because as far as I'm concerned, and the research that I've done, there's no such thing as a collimated light source. All light rays, even laser beams, diverge. So if you're saying that you can prove that you have light not being not diverging in any way, shape, or form, I certainly would like to see that because I don't think that exists in any shape or form.
Give me 1 second here, getting the image up for you for the side chat. So real quick, we're also gonna start with a little formula here. Formula for intensity of light as it comes out. So for one instance, right? Why is this a logarithm? Do you know what a logarithm is?
Why are you jumping all over the place, dude?
We just
Prove
need
your
to see the
parallel rays.
we just need to see the parallel sun rays, bro. I mean that would be the case closed right there.
This thing does not like pasting.
You said that the scattering of light proved parallel rays. That was stupid as fuck. Try
I
again.
know, right? The light is scattering, therefore it's parallel. Holy.
Yeah. No, that doesn't amount to that. Nice try. Next.
So just real quick for
Coke.
for that angle in the sky, right? That's about a 15-degree angle coming in off the middle.
Angle. That's
In order
two
for
straight
that to be
lines. Where's
true,
your
we'd
curvature?
have to be about 10,000 meters from the sun, and at that rate, the Earth would be 40,000 degrees Celsius. So you want to explain
Oh,
that real
that's
quick?
garbage.
You haven't
No.
posted
it's not
anything.
garbage. Not garbage.
10,000 meters from the sun is incorrect.
All right, prove it with
That's
trig then.
incorrect.
I'm waiting.
It's
No,
incorrect.
go ahead.
Prove
You
it
made
with
the
trig.
claim of 10,000 meters. You go ahead and prove that with trig. Go ahead.
I'm waiting for you.
You haven't
Okay.
posted
All right.
anything.
Well, we'll just accept that
So
that was
it's
a
not
false
exactly
claim. You made of
liking.
10,000
My
meters.
chat doesn't
Yeah, 'cause-
exactly like
Yeah, because usually in
links
math,
or
usually in math, you'll just actually be able to prove it mathematically instead of do a burden reversal. So we'll just hand wave what you said about 10,000 meters. Thanks.
server muted me to let me finish my point. That's funny.
You get a
You don't have a
temperature of
point.
the.
Well, he's just pre-assuming that it's going to be the 93 million mile distant sun, but he's putting it 10,000 meters away because he's an idiot.
Nah, that's how angles work.
No, it's not. That's just
Yeah, it is.
another incoherent statement out of your blowhole, like everything else you've said.
Yeah.
Like the time where you said that
Not
the
really,
blue
not really.
sky and the blue sky and the scattering of light equals parallel rays. That doesn't make any sense. You came in here.
Yeah. 10,000 meters, 6 miles he's talking about.
He made that
Okay,
up.
Which one,
6
of you guys,
miles.
which one of you guys in here is the
What a joke.
mod?
What
Wondering.
a joke.
Yeah, too bad for you. It's none of your business.
Right. If you can't post anything, you can DM it to somebody, or you can DM it to me. I'll post it for you if you're having
Okay.
difficulty posting things. But I'd like to see. I
No,
mean,
I'm
so
talking
far
about
you
the
haven't
server
backed up.
meeting. I'm talking about the server meeting.
Yeah, well, we're talking about the evidence that you're supposed to post.
Yeah, well, it's kind of hard to post it on.
Yeah, we're just gonna serve.
It doesn't. You can definitely post when your server muted, my friend. You don't need to be unmuted to post things in the side chat. I can promise you that. So that was a weird code. But if you need help
Yeah, it's
posting it,
not a
just
weird
DM it
code.
to somebody.
I think he needs help shutting up because everything he says is embarrassing for him. He
I'm
said
still
that
waiting
the
for an answer.
scattering of light.
from
He said that the scattering of light proves parallel rays. It's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Then, well, I mean, the first thing you said was really stupid, which is you got two angles to the sun, two elevation angles. You're already practically referencing the Earth as a horizontal plane to even do that, and then you say that that proves a globe, and then you just want to skip past it and say nothing more. That was stupid too. Everything you said has been just dumb as fuck.
Everything anybody says.
Verbal diarrhea. That's what it was. Verbal diarrhea. We're using a lot of tissue here. Can you clean up, please? Blimey.
Yeah, it's just pathetic. That's why I don't want to hear you. Your ear
Pathetic.
cancer, dude.
Stupid.
I'm still waiting for an ounce of any proof on trig from you guys.
We're still waiting for you to post your evidence in the side chat, brother.
Wait a minute.
Dog,
So
I'm
your
copying the
mathematical
image
proof
link
for
right
your
now.
claim of 10,000 meters is a burden reversal? Really?
It's
Wow,
not a
that's
burden
stupid, too.
reversal.
Yeah, it is. Why? You are the one who made the claim that trigonometry puts it 10,000 meters away. Then you started going, let's see your trig, let's see your trig. That is a burden reversal. What's the matter
Are
with
you-
you, dude?
Are you my cousin Ricky?
Copy image address, Control V, and nothing comes up. Oh, there we
Okay,
go.
yeah, just post it to my DMs, and I'll post it for you since you're having technical
One second. I'm
difficulties.
trying to find your username on the logs on the side.
I just tagged you.
All right. That's the logarithm formula here. Give me 1 second. Right here. Go ahead and Take that image there for me real quick. Let me find you, right?
When he stops talking, make sure to don't forget to pick on me. I'm still here.
There you go. Yeah, wait, pick on this other guy for a second. I'm gonna do some math for you and then send you a picture.
Oh shit!
Yeah, what kind of IP grabber
I didn't
is
really
this?
mean that. All right. Okay.
Okay, so you won't click
You
on
don't
it
have an
because it's
image or
an IP
anything?
grabber.
What I mean is you have an image because you're supposed to show us parallel rays. So
There you
okay, wow, guys, chat, look at this shit.
Proves
This
my
is brilliant
point.
right
You
here.
can't dissect
Actually,
it.
it proves my point. It proves
No,
my
it
point.
doesn't.
Actually, chat, look at this.
Explain why, chat.
Oh my god, this guy's low IQ. Okay, I posted what he sent me.
It's
You
actually
guys
the
seeing
opposite.
this? Okay, well, what? Okay, clearly we see the sun there having diverging rays where they're going all out in different. And this is a cool cartoon, by the way. Nice cartoon, by the way, where we have
No,
the
I'm
sun
still
rays
waiting for you to
diverging in
debunk it.
every direction
Yeah, notice how the further
to
away
say
you
that
move
they're
the Earth,
parallel.
notice how the further. I speak louder, so I'm right. I speak louder, so I'm right. That's what you sound like right now.
Brother, you just posted a cartoon, by the way, where you have the sun with diverging rays going in all different directions, not in a parallel
Can you define
direction.
parallel real quick? Can you define parallel?
Brother,
You can.
you see how
No, you
one's
can't.
going
You
an
can't define
angle up, one goes an angle down. One goes in one direction above, one goes in direction down, back the other direction in an angle. These are diverging. Hello.
So look at the Earth balls for me, right? See how when they move away, the lines become flatter and flatter relative to each other?
Do you
So
see how
that's
they're
why
all
they-
diverging? Oh my god.
So that proves the Earth is flat because you're thinking.
No, it
No,
doesn't.
ding dong. We're debunking his bullshit where he's saying that the sun rays are parallel. Even in the cartoon he's posted, they're diverging, bro.
I'm old. I don't know shit.
Holy fuck, bro. And this is a cartoon, by the
You
way.
don't want to address the fact that when you zoom in
We
more
just
and more
cooked
on them,
you on
they're
your own
relatively-
points.
I don't think he did. I'm still waiting for you to prove that he did.
One more time. Chat. Are you seeing how the rays are all blasting out in different angles? This is called diverging rays.
Zoom in for me on the orange rays.
Zoom
zooming
in. What do you mean zoom in?
Keep
Zooming
zooming
in is not going to make them parallel.
It does actually. It's called relativity.
No, it doesn't. All right, dude. I don't know how you cannot be helped. You can't be helped.
That's what your parents saw when you popped out of the womb. God damn.
Dude, I mean, if you're saying that these are parallel rays, I don't know how to help you.
Ich kann nicht sprechen.
So no proof of globe was found.
Sorry, finishing my Duolingo lesson. My little brother's yelling at me to finish my Duolingo lesson.
You didn't prove anything.
Okay, and then chat, I posted an image I took today at the beach, sun rays diverging. He goes, "No, that's not real. Here's a cartoon where the sun rays diverge, and that means they're parallel."
Notice how they appear more and more parallel the more you zoom in.
They don't appear parallel
They
at
do
all.
actually. They do.
They're all diverging. Wait, I don't.
So,
Dude,
don't
this is what
assume that-
you posted.
Don't assume just because what you did is like correct. You could be way wrong.
I don't know why you're chiming in. Unless you want to tell us whether the cartoon in the chat is showing us parallel rays.
Okay, my bad. Forgive
Well, you
me.
tell us, Israel. You see the side chat?
No, I haven't even looked at it yet.
All right, look at the side chat.
Hold on, let me check it out. Which one?
Yeah, the most recent thing posted.
Please, I have to scroll down. Okay, with the sun and the earth.
Yep, the cartoon. Yep.
Oh, it's a cartoon.
So we have a yellow line, we have an orange line, we have a red line. You see how they're all flaring out in different directions?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what happens in reality.
Real
This is
quick,
called
do me a favor.
diverging
Do me a favor
light.
and draw a few thousand more of those orange lines.
They're all gonna be diverging still. Like,
draw-
bro,
draw
I don't
them.
know how to help you.
No, draw them. You won't.
You cannot be helped.
I don't need to be helped.
Yes, you do. You need help
I
bad. Bad.
By who, buddy?
What
Whoa,
does that have to do
anybody
with-
at this point.
Notice how also, where's this picture of the beach at?
Yeah, Coastal California.
Yeah, no, notice how you can't see Japan.
Why would you? Okay, well,
But-
you might just be the lowest IQ person in this panel right now.
Put
Trevor.
that out there.
We're
Why can't I
cooking
see
you in your
Japan?
own point. Yeah,
Why
in
can't I
no,
see
in no
Japan?
reality can you see Japan. That's
Yeah, because the
not
Earth is
reality.
fucking round. It's that simple.
Okay, retard.
Retard. Stop projecting.
Flat Earth doesn't involve you being able to see across the ocean like Superman, dude. Holy fuck,
It
bro.
involves denying every ounce of scientific evidence presented.
No. We're denying the bullshit you've posted, basically, where you're saying that the sun rays are parallel, which they're not. In reality, they're very diverging, as I've posted in my image of reality. And you posted a cartoon that backs me up.
Wait, you want to
Nice
send
try,
one more
though.
quick beach pic? You want to send the beach pic one more time quickly?
Sure. Yeah.
What is it? What does that have
So I'm
picture
not
have to do with-
exactly sure how to, pull this up for you here, like to be able to draw over it. Do you know if there's a way I can do that?
What, are you gonna just draw the rays diverging, or what?
No, I'm gonna draw a little angle for you.
The angle? Wait, I thought the sun rays are parallel.
No, I'm gonna draw a little angle for you on your screen there.
Wait,
I'll
but
show you an
wouldn't
angle.
that back
show
up?
you,
that would back
I
up
want
my
to prove
point,
a
though.
point about distance real quick, because you. So you want to say, right, that these are the direct rays coming right from the sun, shining through the clouds there?
I mean, it's not coming from like a laser beam.
Oh, no, so that's your point, that it's coming from the sun,
Yes,
right?
it's coming from the sun. What else would it be coming from?
All right, so do me a favor and look at the ones in the far left and the far right of the image, right? So
Yeah,
if
how
we
they're
draw,
diverging. Yeah, I see that.
If we draw a straight line down, yeah, actually, hold on. Can I? How do I? Should I do this real quick, just for you? 'Cause I want to be able to visualize my point.
Here, I got you. I just drew it for you. This guy's technically challenged.
But yeah, I'm not chronically on Discord, so.
I mean, it's just knowing how to work a
I just-
computer, but
It's
there's
not
that.
really, that's not really, not my
Well,
job.
if you
It'd be
think you
not
should
exactly
be
what
able
I
to
wanted
see
you to
Japan
draw
from
there.
USA, maybe you should spend some more time there.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, it's ludicrous for you to think that you should be able to see Japan. What in Japan are you hoping to see?
Just a nice little landmass over the
Just,
side. I can't respond to my point. Just a nice little
Yeah,
landmass.
just snap out of it. Snap out of it, thinking that because you can't see Japan from your backyard in the United States of America makes the Earth a ball. Get over it, dude.
It perfectly proves my point. If the Earth's flat, I should be able to see a landmass over there.
Okay, excellent.
False.
Not false.
Okay,
Yeah,
Mr.
no.
Trigonometry, I'll ask you a question about that then. What's the angular size of Japan from your position?
English size.
What the
Okay,
fuck?
never mind, Mr. Trigonometry. I guess you don't actually know any.
Respect what, bud?
Yeah.
Because it would take out about 5 degrees of your vision.
What?
5 degrees. The
From
sun
where?
is about half of a degree.
What about
My
From where?
goodness.
So Japan is less than 4,000 kilometers away from the United States. The sun is over 86 million miles. That helps.
What the fuck is this guy on about? Sorry,
2000
dude, you understand
miles.
things reduced with angular size with distance, right?
Hmm.
Right, so that's what I was asking you. That's the angular size of
Seven of you
Japan.
just spoke at once. I didn't hear what you said.
Okay, I'm done. I've had enough of this. I'm done.